Hello everyone, myself Giri Anjali. Today I am going to present activity number 7, that is home appliances, guided by Dr. Mangalden ma'am. The content include working of electric ironer, different types of electric ironer and their different parts, and the specification of electric ironer. So the working principle of electric ironer. An electric iron is based upon the principle of heating effect of current. These principles state that when an electric current is passed through conductor, it generates heat because of the resistance present in it. The resistance convert electrical energy into heat energy. In iron, they generally have a coil whose resistance is much higher, which converts electricity into a heat energy. There are two types of electric iron. First is a automatic and the second one non-automatic. There is not much difference between the two types. The former has one regulator to control the temperature of the element and in turn temperature of the iron. There are different parts of electric iron. First is the sole plate, second pressure plate, third heating element, fourth thermostat, fifth cover plate and the handle. I will explain the parts one by one. Sole plate. The sole plate is the thick triangular shaped slab of iron that form the base over which electric iron is built up. The bottom surface and edges are heavily chromium plated to prevent it from rusting. The base plate should hold the iron pressure plate and cover plate in position. Pressure plate. Pressure plate is generally called top plate as it follows the shape of sole plate. Pressure plate has some holes through which studs from the base plate passes through. In some iron, the pressure plate is heavy and made up of cast iron, while in some other cases it is the thin sheet of steel. Third is a heating element. The heating element is present between the sole plate and the pressure plate. It is pressed hard between the two plates. The heating element consists of nichrome wire wound around a sheet of mica. There are two reasons for which mica is chosen in the heating material. Mica is very good insulating material and it can also withstand very high temperature. Fourth, thermostat. When it comes to an automatic electric iron, thermostat is the most important atom. Uh, it uses a bimetallic strip to operate the switch. The bimetallic strip is a simple element which converts temperature change into mechanical displacement. The two metal cover plate. The cover plate is made up of thin sheet of iron. It is placed on the top of the base plate. It covers all the internal parts of iron. And the last one is handle. The handle can be made either with wood or plastic. The handle is attached to the cover plate with the help of screws. These are the specification of electric iron. First, power is 750 watt, voltage 220 to 240 volt, current 3 ampere, frequency 50 hertz, phase is single phase. Now I am going to open this electric iron and show you how it works. Here you can see the power cord, which consists of 3 wire, and this is the power cable. This red wire for the phase, this black wire for the neutral, and green for the earth. This green wire is connected with the iron body to avoid the electric shock. We will see the connection of phase and neutral wire. Here you can see the heating. Here you can see the heating element. Here you can see heating element inbuilt here. We will give the supply of we will give phase supply to one terminal of the thermostat. From the thermostat, we will give the supply to one terminal of heating element and go back to another terminal of the another terminal of heating element. The another heating element terminal is directly connected to the neutral wire. In this way, heating element gets hot and makes the base or a sole plate hot. Now let's see the other part, that is a thermostat. Thermostat helps in a temperature control switch, and thermostat helps to control the temperature as you select heat temperature by rotating it. Thermostat starts a movement as you select temperature on thermostat. Heating element also set their temperature. This is the cover plate that stop hot temperature rises up from heating element and thus protect the pressure plate. This pressure plate helps in providing equal pressure from all the sides. Here along with the thermostat, bimetallic material is present. It is used as a bridge to on or off the circuit to regulate the heating element.